Look at this question. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 18,265 so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So, according to this question, one number is given as 18265. It is not a perfect square number. You have to subtract a least number from this given number so as to make the result as a perfect square. And again, you have to find out the square root of that perfect square numbers. So how we solve it? So for find out the least number to be subtracted from this number, you have to use the long division method. So by the long division method, just look at the process. So first of all, we write given number is 18265. Now use the division method. First of all, make the pair of two numbers starting from the unit digit and moving to left side. This is the first pair, the second pair, and the third pair contains only one digit. Third pair में सिर्फ एक ही digit आ रहा है. So use the process. So here you have to write the two numbers, the two same numbers, so that after multiplication you can get 1 or less than 1. So just write down, here we use 1 and multiply these two numbers. So what we get? 1. So write here 1 after multiplication, and 1 from here write as the quotient. Now subtract. So what we get? 0. Now write down the next pair, 82. Now add these two numbers, 2. Now what we write here? The same digit you have to write so that after multiplication you get 82 or less than 82. So what we write? Just try with 3. So after multiplication we get 69. So just we subtract them. So we get 3, 1. And here add the digit 3, 3, 6 and 2. Now here, and one of the 3 right here as a quotient. Now by which digit we can write here? The same digit we can write here, so that first of all write the pair here. Now which digit we can write here so that after multiplication we get the same number or less than this number. So we try with 5 and write 1 5 here. Now multiply numbers. So what we get? 1325. Now subtract them. 40. Now we have no more pair to write down here. That means यहाँ पर लॉन्ग डिवीजन का जो प्रोसेस है, जो स्टेप्स है, वो यहीं पर फिनिश्ड होता है. Now what we have as a remainder? 40. That means when we subtract this number from the given number, then the result we can get as a perfect square. So this is the required number. This is the least number which when subtracted from the given number we get a result which will be a perfect square. So the least number to be subtracted is equal to 40. तो लीस्ट नंबर हमारा कितना आ गया? 40 आ गया. So therefore the perfect square number we can write as So perfect square is equal to, subtract this 40 from the given number, minus 40. So what we get here, 5, 2, 2, 8, 1. That means it is a perfect square number. Now we want to find out the square root of this number. So how we write the square root of this number? So since we want to find out the square root of the perfect square number so often, so the perfect square so often is this number. Therefore, square root 18225. No need to find out the square root again. The quotient is just taken as the answer as the square root. So 18225, the square root of this number is written as 135. So this is the answer. Now look at the second question. Find the greatest number of 6 digits which is a perfect square. So what we do here, at first we find out the greatest number of 6 digits. So when we write here, greatest number of 6 digits is equal to this number. But when you look at this number, or when you try to find out the square root of this number, then you can find that it is not a perfect square. So you have to subtract some number or add some number from this number to get a perfect square number which contains 6 digits and that should be greatest. तो यहाँ पर जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 6 डिजिट्स दिया हुआ है वह एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, लेकिन हमें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में बदलने के लिए इसमें से कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा या ऐड करना होगा. So when we add some number from this number, suppose that we add 1 from this in this number, then the pattern should be changed. अगर हम इसमें कुछ ऐड करते हैं, कम से कम 1 भी ऐड करते हैं, तो यह स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 7 डिजिट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स हमें यहाँ कुछ ऐड नहीं करना है, हमें यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो कम से कम कितना नंबर हम यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट करें वो हम देखेंगे. सो फॉर दिस वी यूज द लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. So first of all, make the pair, first pair, second and the third pair. Now here we use 9 and write 1 9 here. Now multiply these two number 81, so we get 18. Now add these two digits 80. Now write down another pair. Now again we use 9 9 and write 1 9 here from this and multiply. So after multiplication we get 1701. Now subtract 8 9 1. Now add here. Now again write down the next pair 99 here and again use some digit. So again we use 9 and write 1 9 here. Now multiply them. So what we get, 1 0 9 7 1 means 17901. So when we subtract here 1998. Now we have no another pair to write down here. That means our division process is completed. Now, so this number 1998 becomes the least number to be subtracted from the given number to make the result as a perfect square. So, least number to be subtracted one. So perfect square number or square number is equal to, subtract this one from the given number, 1 minus 1998. So what we get? Subtract them. So 1 0 0 8 9 9. So this is a required number, which is a square number. Now you want to find out the square root. चूंकि यहाँ पर निकालने नहीं बोला गया है, फिर भी अगर हम निकालना चाहें इस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट, then square root of this one, then what we will write here? So you can find that this number is taken as the square root of this one. So this is the square root of given number. That means the greatest number of 6 digits, which is a perfect square, is taken as this one.